In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Snapchat subscription not active. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So to fix a Snapchat subscription not active, firstly, you want to simply go ahead and restore purchases manually. In order to do that, open your profile and then click on the settings on the top. And as you can see, it says join Snapchat Plus because it might have already ended. Simply go ahead and click on next and you can simply go ahead and start subscribing either monthly or annually, depending on whatever you want. However, if you already have it and if it's still not showing, then it could potentially be because of your app store or your account. So make sure that you are logged in into the exact account that you've purchased your thing with. If that doesn't work, then you might have no other options but to head to any browser that you prefer and then simply go ahead and search for Snapchat Help Center right over here and then click on Snapchat Support on the top. And now this is where you want to simply go ahead and head all the way down to contact us and then simply go ahead and ask them how you can solve this problem right over here. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.